Hi everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Cricket. We're about to fire up the Blackstone Griddle again. So before we do, I just got a damp rag and I'm going to wipe it off. And then we're going to put it on high to let it heat up. And then I am going to turn it down to about a medium. Tonight we're going to be making cheesesteak sandwiches, and this is just a quick weeknight meal for us. Here in the South, pollen gets very bad, so we're all kind of suffering from allergies, so we just want something quick. Normally I'll take like a good piece of beef and slice it up real thin, but and I don't like, I think it's the Steakum brand, the minute steaks. I don't like them. I don't like the taste. But we found these at Publix. It was buy one get one free, and Ricky wanted to try it, so I thought, why not? And I just got some of the hoagie rolls that I'm going to place on the griddle at the same time because it won't take these long to cook. It comes like this. And if this tastes like that other kind, I'm going to be disappointed. We are not doing peppers and onions tonight. Nobody really wants them anyway. So if you were, I would go ahead and have them started on this side of the grill. If I was using regular beef that I chopped up, by the time it got done, the peppers and steaks would be done. But this little minute steak won't take long at all. And I didn't make my own homemade rolls this time. Like I say, this is just quick and easy. Now my grill is off, so I'm just going to scrape up this extra. And while it's still a little hot, sometimes you can steam it just a little bit if there's some stubborn spots. But I've got most of it scraped up. I've got my grill off. I'm gonna let it cool, and then I'm gonna come back out here and clean it. Okay, now time to try a bite. I usually put some steak sauce on mine, but I want to try it without it real quick. It's alright for something quick and easy, but to me it tastes like that other brand. I'll bring you back when I go to make some real beef cheesesteak sandwiches. I'll do another video, but this is something Ricky wanted to try. So thanks for watching. I hope you're enjoying these Blackstone Griddle videos. We're still learning it, but I love it. We all love it. As you can see, when we go to turn it on, a crowd gathers. So that's a good thing. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Comment, because I love hearing from you. You are all awesome. If you get a chance, check out the videos that'll be popping up right about now. And until my next video, I hope you enjoy. Bye, y'all.